by a public member. A bill introduced by public member. Okay, right? Did you understand? Majority of the bills that are passed by the government, that is passed by Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, generally these are proposed by whom? Government itself. Who proposes the bill? Government. Okay, or I told you a bill introduced by public member. Both are having same meaning. Okay, what is the public member? What is private member? Okay, in the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha there are two different types of members. What is that? Public member and what is that? Private member. Okay, who is public member? Who is private member? Okay, if a member, if a person, if a member of parliament who is the member of, who is also the member of council of ministers, the member of parliament who is member of the council of ministers, he is called as public member. He is called as public member. In other words, a minister, in other words, a minister is public member. A minister is public member. Whereas ordinary members of parliament, ordinary members of parliament is called as private member. Ordinary members of parliament is called as, what is it? Private members. Okay, these ordinary members may be ruling party, may be from ruling party or opposition party. These ordinary members may be from ruling party or opposition party. Such members are called as private members. But the members in the government or council of ministers is called as public member. Okay, usually who introduces the bill? Government introduces the bill, or usually who introduces? Public member. When I say government or public member, both are same. Both are same. Are you able to understand? Suppose Lok Sabha, in Lok Sabha, government introduces a bill into the Lok Sabha. Lok Sabha does not accept that bill. Lok Sabha opposes the bill. The majority members in the Lok Sabha oppose the passage of the bill. Opposes the passage of the bill. Then the government requires to resign. The government requires to resign, because that also amounts to lack of confidence by Lok Sabha over the government. Are you able to understand? Okay. Suppose if I give you a chocolate, if you deny the chocolate, I don't want your chocolate. I eat chocolate but I don't want to eat from your side. What does it mean? Do I enjoy the trust? No, I don't enjoy the trust. So similarly, the bill is proposed by the Lok Sabha and the members, majority members do not like that particular bill. What does it mean? It amounts to lack of confidence of Lok Sabha over the government. So that also leads to resignation of the government. Got my point? Next. Next point. Passage of the private bill. Passage of the private bill. Passage of the private bill. Private bill in the Lok Sabha. In the Lok Sabha. Lok Sabha, which is opposed by the government. Which is opposed by the government. Ante chudandi, despite the government opposes that bill, still the Lok Sabha passes the bill. This also amounts to lack of confidence of Lok Sabha over the government. Government has to resign. Chudandi enni rakaluga resignation, enni rakalu government తీసేయొచ్చు చూస్తున్నారా మీరు? How easily you can remove the government, right? Next point.